How to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, step 2, the last layer. So, you've already finished this layer, but now you gotta finish this one. So it's already solved. Let's scramble it and solve the first layer. Okay, so now the first layer comes in 2 steps. Orient of the last layer, or OLL, solving that face, which would be like, so normally you would use an OLL algorithm if you knew full OLL, but we're gonna teach you a simpler way of doing it. So like this, it would be this, but we're just gonna make it simpler. Oh, well, might as well. And then PLL, or the permutation of the last layer, has... Bro, I promise I didn't do that on purpose. My setup's still trash. I've been using this 3x3 as a cube stand. Ah! Okay. We fixed our cube stand problem, or phone stand problem, or I don't know. So, the permutation of the last layer has 2 algorithms. You can either have the T-perm, which is this, solved, or you could have the Y-perm, which is like this. The Y-perm is probably my longest algorithm, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so you've solved the first layer, now you're on to OLL. Wait. I gotta do it in white, hold on. Okay, so you've solved the first layer, like this, and then now you have, now you gotta solve this face. So how you do that is, you turn the cube so that your solved layer is on the top, and then you want to bring, so these two are already solved, because they're on the yellow face, opposite of the white. So, how you want to do this is, you want to bring an unsolved corner, preferably solved corner, like this, so if there was, this one was unsolved, and this one is unsolved, you want to do that one. And then if all of them are unsolved, just bring any one. So what you want to do is, you want to do this, until the corner is solved. And to go into the next corner, you don't rotate like this, but you want to rotate like that. So then you keep on doing the for move. And then OLL solved. Now onto PLL. Most common you're going to get is the T-perm, which is 2 adjacent corners need to be swapped. So what you want to do is this. And then you might have the Y-perm, which is 2 diagonal corners need to be swapped. So you would do this. So, you've solved your first Rubik's Cube. If you have any questions about the first layer or the last layer, more specifically OLL or PLL, feel free to ask, as I will leave comments open in this video. Thank you for watching, and have fun with your 2x2.